Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 on board the Disney Wonder. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning. We're down here in the French Quarter Lounge. Tiffany's gonna have some cafe au lait and some beignets. But yeah, the cafe au lait and the beignets are what we're gonna have this morning. She's really been looking forward to those. We had beignets last time we were in Disney World over at the New Orleans resort. And so, see if they're just as good here on the ship. So you ready for your beignets?
Yes.
And your cafe au lait?
Yes.
Excellent. Yeah, I unfortunately am having a energy drink. That is my preferred morning coffee. Let's take a quick look around here at the French Quarter Lounge. We, of course, are the only ones here this morning. But with so few people on the ship, I said you pretty much got just about every venue to yourself. All right, there's her cafe au lait with her beignet. What do you think?
I think I'm gonna enjoy this.
We'll taste it.
Do you want some of it?
I'll probably have to take a bite of your beignet.
Oh yes.
Here are the waves out there this morning. I said that sea is, it's kicking it pretty good out there this morning. We're down here on deck 3, looking out one of the porthole windows. And I said you can see some pretty good waves out there. This is why the ship is rocking around. And it's really cloudy this morning too. All right, breakfast time. All right, you have to start your breakfast off with Mickey Mouse waffles. At least I do. Tiffany, she's not big on waffles, so she gets
Eggs Benedict.
She got eggs Benedict, some fried eggs, some other good breakfast stuff right there. You got a napkin right in the way.
Sorry. French toast.
But I definitely have to have Mickey Mouse waffles to start my breakfast. Let me say, here in the buffet this morning, it's still not crowded in here at all. Sprite. But right now, it's pretty much an all crew serve, and even your drinks.
You don't need to get up.
Okay.
You're not busy. What do you need?
Push the button, baby.
Up or down?
Down. Oh, tried to get us. See, there's, if you want to do Tritons for breakfast. Do you see King Triton back there, baby? Do you see him?
Yeah. Good morning.
It's right down here. That's where we ate the last night, I think.
All right, so they definitely have lots of health and safety reminders around the ship, reminding you to wear a face mask, social distancing, washing your hands, and they are definitely enforcing the mask requirement while indoor. And there are hand sanitization stations everywhere around the ship. Alright, you know what I've learned so far? I suck at arts and crafts. Alright, so apparently Tiffany's like almost done. I'm still cutting mine, like perhaps I should have been held back a year. Am I getting pity help?
Not pity help.
Am I getting pity help?
No.
Tiffany's down to folding mine, basically because she says she doesn't want to be here for 4 days straight. This is absolutely Tiffany in her element. Right here. Disney Arts and Crafts? Check. At this point, she is having a hard time getting the head on. There's a distinct possibility as my job is cutting the head out, it's created this issue. There you go, and we have a Minnie Mouse. Where you want to sit, baby?
He's a little.
Alright, you can't do anything Disney without a Dole Whip. I think Dole Whip is probably an absolute requirement. So, got my Dole Whip. What kind did you get, baby?
Chocolate. In your panorama. Wait till she sits down, then you'll sit beside her.
What kind of front am I? It is a little bit dark in here. I'm not sure how well this is right now, but we are in the Walt Disney Theater. We're going to see the live action show of Frozen.
I'm excited.
You're excited?
Where are you from? Texas. Is the microphone working? Can we hear her? Just say her name again.
Tiffany.
Yeah. All right. Tiffany from Texas. Let's give her a big round of applause. Come on, baby. Welcome to Mouseketeer Madness. How do you feel about your Disney knowledge? I have a scale from 1 to 10. 1 being I don't even know who Mickey Mouse is, and 10 being, well, I'm Walt Disney. So, how do you feel about this? A 6? All right. Well,
She's
we're gonna
lying.
test that.
Maybe an 8 or a 9.
And 8. Okay, she's being humble.
Yes.
I feel like you are much better than you think. All right.
Yes.
Question number 1. Let's do it. So, is it your first Disney cruise?
No.
No. How many Disney cruises have you been on?
3
3. All right. All the time on the Wonder or different cruise ships?
different cruise ships.
Which one? Tell me.
Fantasy,
Dream.
Dream, and this one.
Fantasy, Dream, and the Wonder. Amazing. So is the magic next to bucket list all of the cruise ships?
Yes.
In which year did the world first meet Mickey Mouse? Is it A, in 1954? Or B, in 1945? Is it C, in 1928? Or is it D, in 1928?
I can see. I think.
What's your final answer? D? Is D the correct answer? Is
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse a timeless character? I think so. Let's find out. Yes! You made it! Congratulations! You are now an official Mouseketeer. You want to wear your Mickey medallion very proudly? Let's do it. Congratulations, you made it. Let's give it up for our Mouseketeer! Well done. So
Alright, it is almost 7 o'clock at night and the sea is still pretty rough out there. It calmed down a little bit this afternoon. Definitely better than it was this morning, but y'all can see it is still pretty rough.
You can come on all the way down and say hello.
I know, you guys are looking good tonight. All dressed up.
For tonight. Have a date night at Paolo after.
Oh.
The good stuff.
Donald's gonna be up there on the top.
What about Mickey? He's right below you. We like you better. Forget Mickey. Forget Mickey. All right, so we came back in the room here, and it looks like tonight we have a pig. So we got a pig for our towel animal tonight.